name is Dr. Gilbert Beauperthuy-Rojas. I'm an orthopedic surgeon. I practice at Biscayne Bay Orthopedics, the Miami campus. I like helping people. I get pleasure out of helping people. And orthopedics is the immediate satisfaction that you get from helping people and changing their lives. I focus on the main joints of the body. I do knees, hips, and shoulders. From the knees, I like to consider myself a joint reconstruction specialist. So I will do anything from arthroscopy to osteotomies, which is realignment of bone, and joint replacement. And the joint replacement, sometimes it's just a partial knee replacement, and sometimes it's a total knee replacement. As far as hips are concerned, I do total hip replacements. I do an anterior lateral approach, and on the shoulders, I do shoulder arthroscopy. And I do shoulder reconstruction where total joint replacement is concerned. My care philosophy is very individualized. Everybody has their needs that not only pertain to orthopedics, but one has to consider also their health status, their activity level when initiating a treatment plan. So everybody gets their own personalized treatment plan. In my practice, it's very patient-focused and personalized. The patients who come see me don't see a nurse, don't see a nurse practitioner, they see me, they see the physician, always. They see the orthopedic surgeon.